Hey everyone, I hope everyone's having a great day today. I know that I'm having a great day because I'm having the opportunity to be filming over here, sharing something with you guys hopefully in the upcoming week. I haven't been uploading videos because my license plate registration, I can't say that word, needs to be renewed for this year and I haven't made time for that. That's why I haven't been on the road and I don't want to go out with expired stickers and I don't want to go, get pulled over and they give me a ticket for that. And then I had the problem of, well, if I can't go riding, then what can I do? What can I film? And that's when I looked at my bike and I noticed that, damn, that's pretty dirty. So we're gonna go ahead today. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it. I'm gonna go through the steps and the stuff that I use. There's not much to it. It's pretty simple. I want to share the way that I do it. And yeah, thanks everybody. We'll see you guys and we'll continue with the video, all right? Now before we start washing the motorcycle, I'm going to be using the chain lube real quick. I like to use this beforehand. Since I don't have a bike stand, I have to ride out the bike in order to lubricate the whole chain. And it kind of leaves a mess. As you guys can see in the video, it leaves a mess right here. And if I lubricate it afterwards, it's just going to leave a mess again. Okay, let's get to it. First, we're going to use the Max Power car wash. This is the soap I've been using lately on my car and I haven't tried it on my motorcycle, but I'm pretty sure it will do the same thing. Next up, for the wax, I use this ice spray wax. It's my first time using it, but I liked it and I like it better than the other version, which I'll be showing right here. Here's a picture of it. Now, I like this one because it feels like it doesn't leave as much streaks, but to prevent streaks, just make sure you're washing your motorcycle under shady conditions, because if your plastics get too hot, it will evaporate any liquid that's on it super fast and will cause streaks and marks. For the wheels, we'll be using this all-wheel cleaner. This does not work on tires, or at least I have not tried it, but I'm pretty sure it wouldn't hurt the tires. This is what I use for the wheels. It works pretty nice, it smells good, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to get rid of the brake dust. Up next, I'll be using the plastic restorer. I'll be using this on the side of your mirrors and I'll be using it on the front of the bike. You guys will see in the video, it makes a huge difference in my opinion and it's probably one of my favorite steps apart from the wheels. Now to finish things up, we're going to be using some microfiber towels. I recommend that you guys don't use the same towels for everything. What I mean by this is have a towel for a specific purpose. I use the towels to dry, I use towels to spray and wax, and I use a different towel to clean my wheels. I don't use a microfiber towel to clean my mirrors. I usually use newspaper. As far as materials, that will be everything. If you guys do anything else in particular, let me know in the comments or let me know if I missed anything that you guys do or I should do, but that would be much appreciated. Thank you. Now, first things first, we're gonna get some water. I like to use water beforehand before we start adding soap. You're gonna need one of these. Okay, we're not going to need one of those, but you're going to need a microfiber towel in order to get rid of all that dirt. Now, bad jokes aside, after I'm done rinsing out the motorcycle with water, I like to clean out the microfiber towel. I don't want to be mixing up any dirt with the soap because that's just going to cause my paint to scratch up. And I know my paint isn't in the best condition, it's just something I like to prevent. When it comes to adding soap, I wish I had a foam gun. It makes for better cleaning and also makes for better videos, but it is what it is. Hopefully I can get my hands in one soon. Now, after I finished washing the motorcycle, there was some spots that were a little bit tougher to get rid of and I couldn't fully take them out. I usually use a ceramic detailer for this with the clay sponge and I couldn't find mine, so I had to just deal with it. Now that it's time to dry the motorcycle, I like to do this as fast as possible to prevent watermarks. Now that we're done drying off and washing the motorcycle, we're gonna move on to the waxing part. I'm gonna use a different rag for this one. This one specifically just for, I'm gonna use a different rag than this one, so this one just barely got dirty. Anyways, we're gonna continue with that. Again, different rag for different purposes. Now we're gonna move on to using this. You guys are gonna see why, but this is one of my favorite steps. Before I start spraying, I like to cover any of the body panels with the rag. I do this to prevent as much of the spray to get in contact with the fenders. It's gone on my fenders before and it gets pretty sticky and it lasts about 4 to 3 washes. If you're planning on using this product, I would recommend that you guys don't overspray in the same area. It will start dripping, kind of like dripping when you spray paint, and it dries up pretty quick. If this happens to you, do not try to wipe it off with the microfiber towel in the moment. You will just make it worse and you will have to start over. It has happened to me. Just wait for it to dry and continue using with any adhesive remover. You could probably use Goo Gone or a lot of water and soap. As for the wheels, we'll be using the No Scrub All Wheel Cleaner. I like this one because it gets rid of brake dust super easy and it's so nice. It also leaves a decent shine, but it doesn't leave a super shine because it's not as greasy as other products I've used before. I like this one because of that also. As for the side view mirrors, I use this water repellent and it works okay, I guess. I can't really tell a difference, but what makes a huge difference for me is the newspaper that I use. It doesn't leave streaks and it doesn't scratch up their mirrors. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. It is pretty freaking hot at the moment. Probably gonna take another shower. I mean, look, I'm pretty dirty. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day or night. If you haven't hit the button, hit the subscribe button. And if you don't, that's okay. That means I gotta work more. Thank you. And if you have any suggestions or any tips, I know that the bike does not look much different, but I put a A lot of work into it. The white is fading, so it looks like yellow. That kind of sucks, so I have to paint it someday or get new fenders, but we'll see. Hope you guys have a good day. See you guys on the next one next Saturday, okay? Peace out.